In my last video, I mixed up a batch of Roberta's famous pizza dough, soft, elastic, and full of promise. This time, I put it head-to-head against store-bought pizza doughs from Giant and Sprouts, all cooked in my wood-fired oven. Let's see how they stacked up. Today we'll be making pizza. We have got our ingredients here. We have got 3 kinds of dough, and the goal today is to compare the quality of these doughs. We have got pizza dough from Giant here, a local grocery store. We have got pizza dough from Sprouts that I bought yesterday. And I made my own dough following Roberta's pizza dough recipe. So we'll be comparing the 3 pizza doughs in front of me by making our pizza to see which one has got the best taste, is the crustiest and the softest pizza dough among the 3. The ingredients will be simple: tomatoes from my own garden, some fresh mozzarella cheese. We have got basil, so we are making Italian-style pizza, and we've got Italian pizza sauce here, and some mushrooms. Let's get ready to make our dough and turn them into pizza. Roberta's dough was a joy to handle, soft, elastic, and effortless to stretch by hand. The first one baked too quickly though, because the oven floor was too hot, so the bottom charred before the top finished. My fault, not the dough's. The second time, the oven wasn't quite hot enough, and it baked slower, losing some of that quick rise. Still, it had flavor and texture that proved why this recipe is so well loved. Super! The Sprouts dough was the most difficult. It wasn't elastic, so I had to use a rolling pin. In the oven, it didn't rise as much, and the crust baked evenly without those blistered spots you want from Italian-style pizza. The flavor was fine, but the character just wasn't there. The Giant dough came in second. It resisted stretching a little, so the center ended up thicker than I wanted. But once it hit the fire, it surprised me. The crust puffed beautifully, with golden browns and charred patches. Crispy on the outside, chewy inside. A very good result, even if the shaping wasn't perfect. So this is the Giant dough pizza, really thick. We couldn't open it because it wasn't elastic. So, who wins? Roberta's is my champion. Even with my oven mistakes, it showed the most promise and flavor. Giant's dough deserves credit too. On another day, it might even beat Roberta's. Sprouts, not bad, but more of a decent flatbread than true Italian pizza. Still, at the end of the day, any pizza out of a wood-fired oven is a good pizza. Super crust, soft, tasty. This is Roberta's pizza dough. It's the best among the three. Bon appétit!